During the spreading of COVID-19 around the world, including Malaysia, many industries have been affected. One of those industries is food service industry. There are many business outlets and restaurants has to shut down their business because the decreasing number of sales and they can afford to pay for their salaries worker and the operational costs. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Anisha Hirah binti Abdul Majid from HM2425AB. In this video, we are going to discuss about the future of food service industry, what will happen after the pandemic. When we talk about the future, what can we imagine is the technology and so on. So in this video, we are going to discuss about the ghost kitchen, the sustainable food service, contactless technology, and plant-based food. First of all is Ghost Kitchen as delivery-only restaurant. During COVID-19 pandemic, the food business owner has to change their business strategy to adapt with the current customer behavior. Before this pandemic, the customer preferred walk-in to buy or eating food in the restaurant. However, during the COVID-19 pandemic, the demand of delivery service has increased since customer preferred to buy everything using delivery service such as food delivery and groceries delivery. They've preferred this method in order to prevent the spreading of COVID-19 viruses, and it is essential to avoid the contact between each people. As the future of food become increasingly takeout and delivery heavy, restaurants are no longer finding a need for front house dining area and are turning to a fully operated ghost kitchen model. This is the time Ghost Kitchen trying to capitalize on the boom. The food business owner took this golden opportunity to cut their business costs such as restaurant rent, server, and furniture. They decided to focus only on their food production and use third-party delivery as the channel to deliver food to the customer. In addition, it is not worth for them to pay for the restaurant costs when there is no customer allowed dine in the restaurant. Ghost Kitchen is a modern 21st century invention that helps restaurants expand their delivery service at optimal cost. In the simple words, it is actually delivery-only restaurant. Ghost Kitchen are taking over F&B industry in Malaysia. The benefit of Ghost Kitchen is the food business owner can save their budget when they just need two things, which is the preparation and cooking area, and register their business in food delivery apps such as Foodpanda. According to Mueller, on 2021, around 75% of the respondents in Malaysia stated that Foodpanda was the food delivery apps they use the most. Moreover, they can save the budget for restaurant costs to do the marketing strategy, such as promote their food business through social media, banner and flyers. Hence, it is shows that the ghost kitchen will become the future of food service industry after the pandemic COVID-19 is allow the business owner to increase their sales and profit.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Arfa Khalida binti Osman. I am going to present to you about another future of food service industry, which is more sustainable food service establishment. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, most businesses are facing loss and getting low profit, so that they need to be sustainable to survive in the industry. Sustainability refers to all practices implemented to meet the needs of the present generation without compromising on the ability of the future generations to meet their own needs. A business should achieve a balance between social, environmental, and economic parameters to promote environment concern, sustainable production and operations, and better profits. There are several strategies that a food service establishment can consider in order to achieve sustainability. Firstly, conserve the use of energy. A manager must have a plan on the energy usage of the company. For instance, they can build a better air circulation through carefully planned windows and using more energy efficient equipment, such as using fan instead of air conditioner. Moreover, the manager can also ensure that they use the electricity and water efficiently, in which they should turn off the equipment when not used and repair any water leakage as soon as possible. Indirectly, this strategy may help the business to reduce their utility costs. Other than that, a strategy that can be applied is by using sustainable design in establishment. Recycling is a key to sustainability. The manager can use recycled paper for menus, decorations, and signs in order to achieve environmental and economic sustainability in the food service business. At the same time, the business can also start recycling plastic containers, bottles, boxes, and paper bags. It is shown that this initiative not only helps saving the earth but also saving money. Last but not least, the company should minimize the wastage. This can be practiced by implementing an efficient inventory management. For example, the manager can estimate and buy the exact amount of raw ingredients needed at a given period. In addition, they can also request from the suppliers for reducing the use of packaging when stocking the products and supplies. All of these strategies will help to reduce the volume of waste production and also saving money.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Noliana binti Muhammad Kamaluddin. Next, future for food service industry is contactless technology, which is a word that is frequently used to define a set of technologies that were developed to assist in the identification of objects. Contactless technology is now available in a variety of forms, including smart cards, tags, and mobile devices, according to Willem Says 2013. Due to the pandemic COVID-19 that had spread widely, this had affected the food service industry, especially restaurants. As a good manager or owner of the restaurant, they are responsible to find a solution efficiently on how to manage their restaurant due to the new norms that had been stated by the government and change their old strategy that does not comply with the guideline of the standard procedure. The government had established SOP, which is standard of procedure that need to be followed by the people in the country to avoid this pandemic from getting worse. For strategy, thus, contactless technology had been introduced and used in the restaurant, as this system can allow the customer that enters the restaurant will not make directly contact with the staff. For example, the customer just need to browse the menu, order the food, and make payment for their food at their waiting table. In the restaurant, they are using tablet restaurant that had been provided by the owner of the restaurant. They do not have to queue up and wait at the cashier. This can avoid them from having close with other people and can limit the spreading of virus. For benefits of contactless technology, there are many benefits of applying contactless system in food service industry. To begin with, it can help the restaurant to reduce the labor cost of the restaurant, which is they do not need waiter to take the orders for the customers because the customers will order through the digital platform. After that, it also can decrease the customer's waiting time in the restaurant because the customer does not need to queue up for a long time to buy the food. And at the same time, it also can speed up the staff services. Due to the new norms that established by the government, the restaurants need to have limitation time and apply social distancing for every customer that comes to the restaurant for buying food. Lastly, it also can help to decrease the human error and be eco-friendly by using paperless menu, which is they do not have to print the menu on the paper, and it also can avoid the staff from doing mistakes in taking order from the customer because the customers just need to key in their own order in the tablet that had been provided by the restaurant. For example, cafe restaurants, they apply the contactless technology for their business. For future, this contactless technology will be applied widely at most in food service industry business due to the consequences from the pandemic COVID-19.
Hi, my name is Noadilina Elini. And lastly, plant-based food. Vegans or veganism has become more popular in the last 5 years. It has become one of the biggest trends that might impact the future of food service industry, with 2% of people actively claiming to be a vegan. With the coronavirus outbreak, food service industry hit a major impact among other industry. Pandemic has caused new change for the food service industry with the implementation of the new norm. The plant-based food market grew by 11.4% in 2019, according to the Plant-Based Food Association. While the retail food market grew by 2.2%, the COVID-19 pandemic has subsequently concern for a better health. It's likely to have accelerated an already fast developing trends in the United States, where sale of plant-based meal increased by 264% in the 9 weeks ending of May. With the new product appearing across the market, ranging from bakery, pastry to pizza, lattes, and even dirty burger, plant-based eating emphasizes food derived from plants, such as fruits and vegetables, seeds, nuts, whole grains, and legumes, while limiting or eliminating animal products such as meat, poultry, fish, egg, dairies, and honey. Plant-based food refer to a diet that focuses on plant foods such as, for example, plant-based fried chicken, which is a plant-based meat made from a vital wheat gluten. It has a meaty texture and neutral flavor that can customize with herbs, spice, and broth. It also high in protein. Tofu is another option for vegan fried chicken with a meaty texture. It will aid the prevention of many illnesses and the maintenance of a healthy lifestyle. These diets are also high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, while being low in saturated fats and cholesterol. And this is all from us. Thank you.